In this video, I'm gonna be giving you 13 side hustles that you can get started today to make $1,000 in a week. Now, every week, we all have a trash can run. Now, whether it's you in an apartment or you in a home, we all have a trash service that comes and grab our trash can every single week. Can you imagine if there was somebody that came to your house, grabbed your trash and took it to the road every single week? That's where you come in. Every single week, you're gonna service your entire neighborhood with grabbing their trash can from the house and bringing it to the road to get ready to be picked up. Now, you're gonna charge every customer $2 to bring it forward and $2 to bring it back. If you do the math on that, or you can charge $5 as a whole to complete the service. If you do the math on that, that's $250 every single week if you have 50 houses. This is a great side hustle for anybody that's home for the summer. If you're an adult and you just need something to do on the weekend. So that's why I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5 stars, mainly because you just gotta get the people to say yes. Now, this next side hustle is an online translator where you go online, type up captions, and they're gonna have the videos ready to be posted. This website is gonna be Skibby.com. Skibby.com is literally gonna pay you for watching 30-minute long videos or 5-minute long videos, whatever the time length of the videos. They're gonna pay you for watching them and typing out exactly what you hear word for word, creating the caption. You see the captions at the top or the bottom of the screen that either translate from English to Spanish or just maybe a regular English caption. It doesn't matter. You're just gonna type out exactly what you hear. It's a super fast way to make money. The only issue is that you actually have to take your time to watch the video. So I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5 stars for difficulty. Now, we always have events going on, whether it's a baby shower, a birthday party, or a wedding, or even just a regular party. And each one of these events always has an invitation that needs to be sent out. And that's where you're gonna come in. You're going to create invitations for these events and send it out to your customers, whether it's your family, your friends. This process as a whole takes no more than 15 to 20 minutes. You can use apps like Canva that literally give you the template to post the pictures inside of the website. And all you gotta do is generate and send off. Now, you can add extra service to where you go and print it out yourself, or you can just say, hey, I'm just gonna make it, see you the design, and y'all take care of the rest. This is a process that anybody can do right here from your phone, or if you got a laptop, it takes no time. So that's why I'm gonna give this one a 2 out of 5 stars for difficulty. Now, whether it's TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, it doesn't matter the social media. We are in the social media age, and we're all looking for video editors, guys. I'm actually looking for one right now, and that's where you're gonna come in. You're gonna edit videos for new social media creators or your friends and family. It doesn't matter. You're just gonna edit videos because we all post on social media. We do. And you're just gonna spend just a small bit of time just cutting up videos or putting small little graphics on there or putting words on the screen and giving it right back to your customer. And this would be a quick way to make a little bit extra money. But the only hard part about it is actually learning how to use the app. So whatever app you use to video edit, it may take a little bit of time to learn. So I'm gonna give this one a 4 out of 5 stars just for the difficulty of it, because you have to actually learn how to video edit. Now, staying on the whole term of video editing and social media, we are in the social media age. Social media has blown up within the last 5 years. Let's just say that. Even before that, it's blown up. But guys, it's really on another level now. And that's where you're going to come in. You're gonna make content. We all have things we do every single day in our lives. Whether you do nothing, or you have a job, or you're in school, or you volunteer, or you're homeless, it doesn't matter. Make videos about your life. Whether you're in school and you're talking about how to pass this chemistry test, or your experience as being a chemistry major, or you're at work, talking about what it's like working at Amazon, or how to get promoted at Target. I know, because I worked at Target. Or talk about what it's like being homeless, or what it's like struggling to find a job right now, because there's so many people struggling finding jobs right now. It doesn't matter. Make content about whatever it is in your life right now, and people will watch. And it's a great way to make money because the sky's the limit. And when we talk about side hustles, guys, you're gonna start it as a side hustle, but eventually content creation can really take over your full-time job or take over your life if you don't have a job, and change your life around. That's why I'm gonna give this one a 1 out of 5 stars, because anybody can do it right here from your phone, or you can just type. You don't even have to talk. I've seen a lot of videos to where you don't even see the content creator's face. All they have is text, or they have a little bit of graphics on the screen, and they post the video. Now, this next side hustle is a very, very easy one, because we all take pictures. We all go out and we need photos for Instagram, but we need it for a professional page. We all need photos taken of us, either it's a wedding or just a regular day. It doesn't matter. And that's where you're gonna come in. You're gonna be a photographer for the next couple months. You're gonna charge people a good bit of money because you can do all this right here from your phone, guys. Phones have developed over the years, so you can take some really, really, really nice pictures from your phone. And it's super quick. It doesn't take a long time. And you don't need any kind of big fancy cameras right now. Like, of course, it'll be great if you had a big fancy camera, but to get started, you don't need that. Neither do you need Photoshop. You don't need all these extras, pricey apps to get started. Just get started simple with your phone and yourself. Now for photography, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 because you actually have to know how to position people, how to get good shots and things like that. But over time, as you learn and see what people like, the best way to do it is take a picture, go up to them and say, what do you think about this picture? And then go from there. Maybe you don't charge, maybe you charge some, let's just say $50 for that shoot. It doesn't matter. But over time, it's gonna grow as you develop the skills and it get easier and easier. Now we all have a skill or something that we're generally better than others at. Or maybe you're not good at anything, and that's where this next side hustle comes in. Freelancing a skill is an amazing way to start making money today. Whether you know how to sing, or you know how to play basketball, or you know how to edit videos, or if you know how to just use Photoshop, or you just know how to run fast. It doesn't matter. You can freelance a skill. There's so many skills out there. You will be surprised at the things that I've seen on apps like Fiverr and apps like Facebook Marketplace. There's so many apps, even Skillshare. There's so many apps and websites that you can use to broadcast your skills and really monetize and make money from it. Guys, I play the saxophone and that's made me a lot of money in the past, and I'm very thankful for this skill and talent that I have, because without it, I wouldn't be able to make this extra money that I made. Freelancing a skill is a great service-based way to make some extra money fast. So I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 stars for difficulty, only because you actually have to have the skill. Now you can pick up and learn a skill very fast and start making money from it very fast. You just have to take the time to learn it. Now for this next side hustle, guys, I mean, this is the bottom of the bottom, guys. Anybody can do it. This is the foundation. If you ever need money fast, this side hustle right here literally takes no time to get started. You can sign up right now from your phone to get started, and that's delivery services, guys. Whether it's DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, guys, the list goes on, and there's so many ways to make money, guys. If you start right now, you can make so much money by the time you get finished. Let's just say you work 3 hours. You can make $300 in 3 hours, depending on what area you're in. There's so many different factors that determine how much money you can make very, very fast. I used to do this and make like $200 in 2 hours, depending on the type of day. And there's a lot of money in this. Whether you got a car, which is great, or you don't have a car, which is okay. Whether you don't have legs and you're in a wheelchair, that's fine as well. You can deliver anything and make money fast. I promise you. Just make it happen. If I had to start from zero, that is exactly what I would do. I would start with delivery services and build from there. And actually, I'm gonna make a video about that very soon. So hopefully I have that video. I'll post it right there in the top right corner, guys. If I had to start from zero, here's what I would do. So just for that, I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5 stars because it takes no skill and no time to deliver items. Now for this next side hustle, guys, we all have things that we need to be answered, whether it's how to cook something or questions for this next test. We all need things answered for us, and that's where you're gonna come in. You've got something that you have the answer to that other people need. It doesn't matter what it is. You could be talking about how to pass this next English final, or how to make medicine to cure my headache, or how to clean a wall or paint a wall. How long does a wall dry? And there's so many apps like JustAnswer.com, there's Chegg, there's Quizlet. There's so many websites that you can really get paid just for going on there and answering questions. And that's where you're gonna come in. You're gonna save a lot of people's lives and answering all their questions. I think even Quora.com and Ask.com even pay you. I don't know, but there's so many apps. But definitely JustAnswer.com is an app that's gonna pay you answer questions. Now I'm gonna give this one 3 out of 5 stars just for the simple fact of answering questions. Anybody can do it. Now Rev.com is another translation app, guys. This is another side hustle that you can use that's like Skibby.com. You're basically watching videos, typing out word for word exactly what you hear, and you're gonna send it back to the creator, and they're gonna put the translations on the videos. And you can do it from any different languages, or you can do it just straight word for word English. It doesn't matter. You're gonna get paid money just to watch these videos. I'm gonna give this one a 2 out of 5 stars, and it's super simple. Anybody can get started. Now, this next side hustle, guys, is for my college students. Now, college is a tough time, and I really wish I would have taken advantage of my resources when I was in school. That is gonna be group tutoring, okay? When it comes down to group tutoring, whether you are the leader of the group or you are in charge of bringing everybody together in the same setting so you tutor each other, you are charging people every single week to tutor them, whether you're on Zoom on the week or you're meeting one-on-one in person or you're on a quick phone call right before the test. You are in charge of ensuring that people get the knowledge that they need for that week. And you don't have to know everything. When it comes down to tutoring, you need to find a way to get the knowledge and be able to get it to that person on demand. That's it. That's all it is. And it takes almost no time. Whether you call a friend real quick and say, hey, what's the answer to this? And then boom, you switch it to them. There's so many ways to where you can navigate group tutoring, or you just have a big group session every single week to prepare for tests and finals. But when it comes down to group tutoring, you actually have to have the knowledge of that specific subject. And it may take a little bit of time, right? It's just a little bit of time outside of your day. But for all these styles, they're gonna take a little bit, just a little bit of time, and that's okay. So I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 5 stars. Now for this next side hustle, guys, every single website needs someone to go through and break it. And what I mean by break it is test out every single feature on the website just to make sure they all work. Because sometimes what you don't know can actually hurt you. And that's where usertesting.com comes in. This is a website that's gonna pay you to go in and test out every single feature on the website, give a review of the website, and maybe even record a quick video of you talking about the things on the website, typing in comments about certain section of the website. And it's a quick, easy way to make money. Guys, I've seen people go on here, 30 minutes, super quick, type up something real quick, and then send it back and get paid right there, or it goes into their account to get paid later on. But guys, you can make some good money with this, and it's all about taking the time to get it done. That's why I'm gonna give this side hustle a 3 out of 5, because you can do this right here from your phone or a laptop. And guys, we all have old stuff. Now, I got a bunch of old stuff. I got this old Xbox that I hadn't touched in 5 years. I don't even know if it even works anymore. This next side hustle is literally you getting rid of stuff. You're getting rid of everything, whether it's your shoes or your shirts or your old jerseys or your PlayStation console. It doesn't matter. You get rid of it. Your old phone, get rid of it. It doesn't matter. If you don't use it, there's somebody that actually needs it. Now you decide the price. You decide how long you want to have it on the marketplace. You decide whether you want to keep it or sell it. It doesn't matter. But if you want to make some really quick money, get rid of your old stuff. I've even seen people that go to the store, buy stuff, they scan it while they're in the store, they go in there and buy it, and then post it online for people to buy it. And it's the craziest thing to me. I've actually done it before. I'm not even gonna lie. But it's a great, unique side hustle and an easy way to make some quick, fast money. You can even go to stores on the clearance rack, buy stuff on the clearance rack and sell it for like triple the price. There's some crazy side hustles out here. You can make a lot of money doing that. Even when it comes down to, let's say, reselling shoes, flipping like Funko Pops, and there's so many. I've seen it all, guys. Reselling your old stuff takes literally, I would say, almost no skill for one. And this is a side hustle that anybody can do. Or you can just have a simple garage sale and get rid of your stuff. It doesn't matter. I say there's many apps like Facebook Marketplace and Mercari, and there's so many apps out there that really sell your stuff, post it online, and people will literally just find it and buy it just straight from there. All you gotta do is send it to them, or they'll even come pick it up. It's such an easy transaction, and I'm gonna give this one a 1 out of 5 stars for difficulty, because it takes no time and no skill to get this one done. Hopefully all these side hustles help you out to get started and give you inspiration to start making money. Let me know what side hustles you're doing in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next video. We out.